Righto, I needed a backup hard drive solution, so had a look at Officeworks, had a look at JB HiFi, and got about 5 gig of files I need to back up, and I decided on this. This is a Western Digital 12 terabyte WD Elements desktop hard disk drive, and I ended up going with my friends at JB HiFi. The list price for this was $479, and you always get a discount at JB, and they gave it to me for $430, which I thought was a pretty good deal. The equivalent at Officeworks was about $530, so for 12 terabytes, $430 was a bargain. I also paid the $7 for local delivery in the east coast of Australia. So what do you get? You get a bog standard hard drive. On the back you've got a little power switch, little press-in power switch here. You've got a USB 3 connector, and you've got a 12 volt DC power supply. And I don't know if you get any indicator of LEDs on the front, but we'll find that out when I power this bad boy up. You also get, let's have a look here, okay, one USB 3 cable, always handy. Tell it's USB 3 because it's blue. Righto, one thing to note is this cable is not especially long, it is 92 centimeters. And you also get a power pack, straight in plug, 12 volt DC, no problem. And you'll get some sort of EULA or manual, and you do. Alright, it's in about 15 languages. Don't even know why I'm going to open that. So, not even sure what it says. Support. Okay, let's go and plug this bad boy in, see what it looks like.
Right, so I've plugged the hard drive in, and you get this little pop-up here. I don't want to install for Mac, I want to install for Windows. So we'll double click on that. I haven't not had a look to see if this has popped up in Device Manager. So I'll go through this process. We can see if Device Manager recognizes the drive. Okay. I don't want to share information. So while we're doing that, we'll look at disk management. I'll just see what comes up. So we can see that we've got F drive as 12 terabytes. So it's right here. It's an online healthy basic NTFS partition. So I actually don't need to install any of this Western Digital software, but let's just see what it gives us. Okay, so that's not good. Installation failed. Installation failed. All right, so I'm going to crash stop this install and ignore it. So what we can see is I've got this 12 terabyte drive there, set up as drive F. There it is. And if we look at properties, we've got 10.9 terabytes to use, 12 gig capacity. So I'm just going to start using this drive and we'll see how we go. Okay, I've just opened up CCleaner. I'm just going to analyze the drive. So apart from this software which doesn't work, which I might try and download from the Western Digital website later on, I'm happy enough with this. It's just a hard drive, 12 terabytes for $430, I think is pretty good buying.